Nutri Complex is the most powerful regeneration for skin from your head to your toes, because it can transform completely all the photo damaged skin, all the corona damaged skin. It can erase the inflammation and damage from your skin, reverse actually the clock, because every single vial of exosomes, and that's not just exosomes, that's pure secretome, and every vial contains 20 billion of non-human derived purest organic exosomes, 20 most potent growth factors, not 5 milligram, not 10, but 200 milligram, and that's super powerful. We have all the anti-inflammatory cytokines, immunoglobulins, amino acids, minerals, vitamins, everything to reprogram every cell. And what are actually exosomes? Exosomes, they are messaging vesicles in between cells, so they deliver the information. And that's very important, the source of the exosomes they come from, because if we got exosomes from inflamed person, for example, of another human being, we can get all the information back to our body from that human being. That's why I choose for myself, for my clients, and definitely for my kids, and that's really important for everyday support, non-human derived colostrum exosomes with AMPLEX technology. So Nutri Complex can solve all the problems of the skin, like skin sagginess, in order to improve the lifting. It can work with hyperpigmentation. It works perfectly with inflammation as well. So it actually targets all the most known challenges in our aesthetic practice.